Welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2006 Mercury 40 horse EFI. This one has 245 hours on it. Compression came back at 150 psi on all 4 cylinders. This does have the Bigfoot lower unit, so it's meant for a pontoon. New spark plugs. We did new impeller, new oil filter, fuel filter, lower unit lube, and power head engine oil. And then we clean the injectors as well. This will come with a good use control box. We'll go ahead and fire it up here. Spraying good water out. Put it forward. This tank will not let me open it all the way up. It's got some pressure in there from the water coming back on the prop, so it will not let me go all the way out. Go reverse. Go ahead and kill it. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great weekend.